Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. A good dash cam can protect you from false accident claims, capture critical evidence, and even monitor your car while parked. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon 2026, covering video quality, features, pros, cons, and who each dash cam is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 4K plus 4K plus 1080p 3-channel dash cam. This is a triple-channel dash cam that records the front, rear, and interior at the same time. It supports 4K front plus 4K rear plus 1080p interior recording, includes a free 128GB memory card, and supports storage up to 512GB. You also get Wi-Fi 6, built-in GPS, G-sensor, and 24-hour parking mode. This dash cam is designed for maximum coverage. The triple camera setup ensures you capture everything happening inside and outside your car. The Wi-Fi 6 allows faster video transfer to your phone, and GPS tracking records speed and location accurately. It's an excellent choice for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants full protection. Pros: triple camera recording, true 4K front and rear resolution, Wi-Fi 6 for faster downloads, free 128GB card included, strong parking mode support. If you want complete 360-degree protection, this 3-channel dash cam is one of the best choices in 2026. Number 2, Viofo A119 V3 2K dash cam. This Viofo A119 records at 2K Quad HD 2560 by 1440 at 60 FPS and uses a 5-megapixel Sony STARVIS sensor. It features GPS, buffered parking mode, HDR, motion detection, and a 140-degree wide-angle lens. This dash cam is known for its excellent video quality, especially during the day and night. The 60 FPS recording makes license plates clearer in motion, and Viofo's reliability is a big reason why this model is still popular in 2026. Pros: sharp 2K video at 60 FPS, Sony STARVIS sensor, reliable GPS and parking mode, compact and discreet design. If you want high-quality front recording at a reasonable price, the Viofo A119 V3 is a solid and trusted option. Number 3, Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dash cam. This is a premium triple-channel dash cam featuring 4K front, 1080p interior, and 2.5K rear recording. It uses triple STARVIS 2 sensors, supports voice control, GPS, Wi-Fi, and storage up to 1 terabyte. This dash cam is built for professionals and long-term use. The night vision performance is excellent, especially for interior recording, making it perfect for taxi and rideshare drivers. Voice control adds convenience while driving. Pros: high-end STARVIS 2 sensors, excellent night vision, voice control support, huge 1 terabyte storage. If budget is not an issue and you want top-tier performance, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is one of the best dash cams available. Number 4, Viofo A229 Ultra 2-channel dual 4K dash cam. This is a dual-channel dash cam with true 4K recording on both front and rear cameras. It uses Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, precise GPS, voice control, and Super Night Vision 2.0. The Viofo A229 Ultra delivers outstanding image quality, day and night. The faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes downloading footage much quicker, and the dual 4K setup ensures crystal clear evidence from both angles. If you want the best dual-camera dash cam, the Viofo A229 Ultra is an excellent investment.
Number 5, REDTIGER 4K Dashcam Front and Rear F7NP. The REDTIGER F7NP offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording, a STARVIS 2 sensor, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and a free memory card. It also supports 24-hour parking mode and 170-degree wide-angle coverage. This dashcam provides great value for money. The fast Wi-Fi makes video transfer easy, and night footage is clear thanks to WRD and STARVIS technology. For buyers looking for strong features at a competitive price, the REDTIGER F7NP is a smart choice. So, those are the top 5 best dashcams on Amazon in 2026. Whether you need a basic front camera, a dual-channel setup, or a full 3-channel system, there's a dashcam here for every type of driver. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which dashcam you prefer.